Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. These processes include learning, the ability to improve performance based on experience, reasoning, using logic to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction. AI can be implemented in a variety of ways, including expert systems, neural networks, and evolutionary algorithms. AI is a broad field, and there are many different techniques and approaches that fall under its umbrella. Some of the most common types of AI include rule-based systems. These are computer programs that use a set of predefined rules to make decisions. They can be thought of as simple expert systems. Machine learning. This is a method of teaching computers to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. There are several types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing. This is a subfield of AI that focuses on the ability of computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision. This is the ability of computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. Robotics. This is the branch of AI that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. Neural networks. These are a type of machine learning algorithm that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Evolutionary computation. This is a family of algorithms for global optimization inspired by the process of natural evolution, such as genetic algorithms, evolutionary strategy, and particle swarm optimization. Overall, the goal of AI is to create systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding text, and making decisions. In addition to the types of AI I mentioned before, there are some other important areas of research and application in AI as well. Generative models. These are machine learning models that can generate new data that is similar to the data they were trained on, such as images, text, and audio. Examples of generative models include generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs. Robotics. This is the branch of AI that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. Robotics applications include manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses deep neural networks with multiple layers to perform complex tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and decision-making. Explainable AI, (AI). This is a subfield of AI that aims to create systems that are able to explain their decisions and actions in a way that is understandable to humans. Multi-agent systems. This is a subfield of AI that deals with the coordination and cooperation of multiple agents, systems that can perceive and act in an environment, to achieve a common goal. Cognitive computing. This is a subfield of AI that deals with creating systems that can simulate human thought processes and mimic human decision-making. Edge AI. This is a subfield of AI that deals with running AI applications on edge devices, such as smartphones and IoT devices, rather than in the cloud. AI is a rapidly evolving field and new developments are being made all the time. These different subfields and applications of AI are constantly advancing and being integrated into new areas, leading to many exciting possibilities and opportunities for the future.